Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raden Afinarta Zulbarkahadi from 12 MIPA 5. I will present here about procedure text. The first is definition of procedure text. Procedure text is the text that contains comments or steps in doing something. In other words, this procedure text is designed to give an idea of how something is done in sequential steps. The second is characteristics of procedure text. Procedure text has the following characteristics. Number 1, using the simple present tense. Number 2, using imperative sentence or command sentence. Example, add 2 spoons, cook with low heat, blend the spices and others. Number 3, using the verbs action. Example, add, put, turn. Number 4, using numbering. Example, first, second, third. Number 5, using conjunctions or conjunctions. Example, next, then, while. Number 6, using adverbs or adverbs to clarify the stages that are passed. Example, correctly, carefully, slowly, for 2 minutes, and others. The third is types of procedure text. Here are the types of procedure text that you need to know. Number 1, procedure text that describes how to operate or use something. For example, how to use a camera, how to use a rice cooker. Number 2, procedure text that provides instructions for carrying out certain activities. For example, how to play guitar, how to make a brownie. Number 3, procedure text related to tips for living life. For example, how to be successful in life, how to make yourself happy. And the fourth is procedure text structure. In general, procedure text has the following structure. Number 1, goal or aim. Contains the aim and objective of the related procedure text. Number 2, materials. Contains the materials needed to perform the stages of a procedure text. Number 3, steps. A list of consecutive steps to complete the procedure text stages. Number 4, result. Results of the steps that have been taken. And then example questions. Which of the following procedures is true? A. Put slices of star fruit in the glass. B. Put ice cubes in the blender. C. Skim 2 spoonfuls of vanilla. D. Skim the slices of star fruit and water which have already been softened. E. Wait until the ice cubes are melted. Option D is correct because it's stated clearly in the first procedure, namely skim it. The other choices are wrong because they are not included in the procedures presented in the text. And then practice. How to make starfruit punch? What is the text about? A. How to make starfruit punch. B. The ingredients of starfruit punch. C. How to use the blender. D. How to stir strongly. E. How to slice starfruit. Option A is correct because it clearly states that the text title is starfruit punch. So, you can be sure that the content of the text is how to make a starfruit punch. Option B is wrong because it's only an explanatory or developer aspect of the text. Other options are wrong because they are not discussed in the text. Sorry if there's a word error. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.